Welcome to the channel. My name's the Rusty Bartender. If you're new here, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail book. Today's cocktail is the Don's Own Grog. And for those viewers who are not in Australia at the minute, it is winter here in Australia, hence why I'm wearing a big jumper. But today's drink is a tropical drink and it's going to transport me to somewhere nice and sunny. So, the Don's Own Grog was created by Don Beach, who was known as Don the Beachcomber around 1937 and was first featured in Beach Bomberry's Sippin' Safari in 2007. This recipe was also adapted and was featured in Martin Cate's Smuggler's Cove, which is the Bible and go-to cocktail book for many Tiki enthusiasts. Just like many tropical drinks before it, it calls for a combination of several rums to bring complexity, but it is the use of blackberry liqueur that sets it apart. So this drink can be whip shaken or it can be made with one of those milkshake makers that's got the little spindle on the thing, or you can just flash blend it in a blender. So basically flash blending is when you use crushed ice or pebble ice and you just hit that blend button just for a couple of seconds just to get everything whipped and incorporated. So let's get making this drink. You're going to need 1 ounce of an aged rum. We are using Appleton Estates rum today. You then need a half an ounce of a lightly aged rum. We're going with Plantation. Then half an ounce of a black rum. We're using Gosling's. And just a note, if you don't have any of these rums, just try using your own blend of rums in this drink. You're then going half an ounce of creme de mure, which is a black currant liqueur. No, it's not, it's a blackberry liqueur. You're then gonna need a 1/4 ounce of a demerara syrup. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 1 dash of grenadine syrup. And finally, a dash of Angostura bitters. I'm just gonna add some crushed ice to this blender. And as I said before, this only needs a couple of seconds. Done. I'm just gonna dump the contents of this into our glass. Add some more crushed ice if you need to, and then we're gonna grate a little bit of fresh nutmeg over the top of the drink. And here we go, folks, the Don's Own Grog. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. This is a tasty as drink. You obviously get the blackberry coming through. The mix of rums is making it very complex. There's a lot going on. You get like molasses flavors from the dark rum, a bit of funkiness from the other rums. It's tropical, it's strong, it's bright, delicious. Give it a go, folks.